Hi Vishal.
I
So we are World Cup winners now. The women have done it.
Yes, we are the 50 over World Cup champs.
Long awaited uh, achieving. पहले तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को सेमीज में हराना आफ्टर so many attempts. We've come so close to it, but वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कमी रह जाती है. Types used to happen, and we could not cross, the line and win it. But we did that one, and then obviously finals. I think finals में before going in only, at least I was very confident, and I'm sure a lot of people must have thought कि अब तो जीत जाएंगे. ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हरा दिया, and वेल साउथ अफ्रीका का एक चोकर्स का टैग वो वुमेन टीम भी लेके जा रही है. So
आई थिंक वो हरमनप्रीत ने बोला ना कि हम इतना हार चुके हैं ना
हाँ
कि हमको जीतना क्या होता है वो स्वाद चखना है अभी. और जब आप इतना हार जाते हो ना तो एक अच्छी बात होती है कि हार का डर चला जाता है.
और फाइनल्स में आके ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हारते. हमारी टीम अदरवाइज हैज बीन विनिंग, लाइक हम सीरीज कर रहे हैं, हम लीग स्टेजेस में जीत रहे हैं, बट द समहाउ दैट आई थिंक इट वाज a mix of that winner's attitude was not coming in or whatever, and some of the luck also. I would really say that we always say luck favors the brave.
Yes.
So they were brave. These women really played very brave. They made mistakes, unforced errors काफी किए.
Midway
But
they were
not
not
lucky
playing.
also.
Midway they were not playing that well. We were ourselves critical
Yeah.
of how they were going about. But I remember there one video chat that Rohit Sharma had with Jemima and Smriti, where he said, "अरे यार सारे मैच जीत के वो फाइनल हार गए. तुम एक काम करना, तुम बीच में हार जाना, फिर
हाँ.
फाइनल जीतना." Exactly, that's what happened, and it's so good to see Rohit Sharma there when they were winning it. Seeing
Yes,
the
because this South Africa team was the same one जिसने अपने को लीग स्टेज में हराया था
हराया था.
अच्छे से, convincingly. So and I mean, hats off to the South African team also. I think Laura Wolfhard did her best to take them all the way. She
Yes.
was, I think, जब तक वो थी क्रीज पे, there was still, it was still 50-50.
Yes.
But
And you feel and you want to spare a thought for all the greats, whether it's Dinah Adelji, whether it is your Chakra Express, Julan Goswami, whether
yes,
it's Mithali Raj.
definitely.
So much blood, sweat, tears have gone into it. वो genuinely एक अच्छा लग रहा है. And it was so nice of them to call Julan, to call Mithali Raj, to hold the trophy, because
Anjum Chopra, yeah, all of them, they were all there in the celebration.
वहीं से बोए हैं ना.
Yes, absolutely.
आज उन लोग को देख के इन्होंने पिकअप किया है. एंड more so because Julan was so close in 2017 to lay her hands on that.
I think
Mithali was so close, but
this World Cup win, according to me, will now fill up वो जो जितने भी अभी लूप होल्स है, पॉट होल्स है, जो वुमेन्स क्रिकेट यस काफी दूर तक आ चुके हैं, बट अभी बहुत जर्नी बाकी
है. बट ये फ्लड गेट्स अब खोल देगा.
अब खोल देगा.
Obviously, हम काफी दूर तक आ चुके हैं. When you hear of a former BCCI president and current IPL owner, team owner, saying that मैं जबरदस्ती भेज रहा हूँ क्योंकि ICC में भेजना पड़ता है. I will not name him, but I think it's understood.
No, everybody knows about
हाँ, to reaching a stage where हम ना ही उनको भेज रहे हैं, but equal pay है Women's Premier League. I think it is very, very important. It would be injustice to not name Jay Shah here. I think he's made fun of for all reasons, but he stuck his neck out. Women's Premier League करा, he stuck his neck out. Equal pay करा.
ये है ना चिकन एंड एग था. लोग कहते हैं अरे उनका क्रिकेट उतना अच्छा नहीं तो उनको उतना अच्छा क्यों मिले. अब जब तक उतना अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा तो क्रिकेट अच्छा नहीं होगा. They did the reverse, which was required. कि कोई अभी भी मैं मानता हूँ कि बोलने वाला मैं खुद क्रिटिसाइज करता है यार हमारी फील्डिंग अभी भी टॉप क्लास नहीं है. द गर्ल्स का फिटनेस लेवल इतना अच्छा नहीं है अभी भी, बट आई एम सेइंग वो चिकन एंड एग पहले करो फिर वो आएगा. So वो सर्कल it will.
Look at what Mithali Raj said on the Lalan Talk show कि हमको 1000 रुपए पर मैच मिलते 2005 में. वर्ल्ड
कप मैच में 8 मैच खेल पे 8000 रुपए दिए थे उनको.
नंबर को उससे ज्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं. So and to reach a stage where the ex BCCI president, now ICC chairman himself ensured कि वो I think no words of praise are high enough for what he has done. I think hands down he delivers. He deserves that credit.
Yes, yes.
And you could see it. You know, Smriti Mandhana, the way she met him when he was, she actually वो उसके आशीर्वाद लेने जा रहे थे 5 ने, उसने रोका उसको. और
हाँ,
ये कोई करवा नहीं सकता. ये आपके मन से वो आता है कि ये आदमी
yes,
ने किया हमारे लिए.
absolutely, absolutely.
And it was nice of him to stop her also because वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
जरूरत ही नहीं बट ठीक है. सी एनीवे ही इज एन ओल्डर पर्सन. वो दिखता थोड़ा यंग है बट उम्र में तो हरमन से काफी बड़ा है वो. हरमन was going to match.
गलत नहीं है. Yes, yes, yes.
ठीक है, कोई गलत नहीं.
But I think and the second person जिसके लिए मतलब वाकई वो विश्वास हो जाता है कि भगवान के घर पे देर है अंधेर नहीं है, is our अमोल मुजुमदार.
Yes.
मतलब दुनिया की कोई टीम नहीं हो सकती है. एंड आई मीन उस जमाने में भी जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास भयंकर टैलेंट था कि अमोल मुजुमदार ने एक इंटरनेशनल मैच नहीं खेला. ऐसी कौन सी ऐसी टीम हो नहीं सकती है. 11,000 प्लस फर्स्ट क्लास रन बना के रिलेंटलेसली रन मार के.
मैं उसी के बारे में भी सोच रहा था. अमोल मुजुमदार बिकॉज़ ही वाज अ टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन. हमारा टॉप ऑर्डर इतना भरा हुआ था जहां पे आपके सामने सहवाग, सचिन,
सारा ऑर्डर भरा हुआ ही था. When you लाइनअप ऑफ सहवाग, सचिन, द्रविड़, गांगुली, लक्ष्मण,
युवराज, मतलब
युवराज ने टेस्ट मैच नहीं खेले उतने जितने
नहीं खेले. हाँ, तो उसको
तो जब तो सी आई एम नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग व्हाई द बीसीसीआई डिडंट पुट हिम देयर. आई एम सेइंग कि मन में आदमी की निराशा आती है
ऑब्वियसली
छोड़ देता है जीवन में. बट फॉर हिम टू कम बैक एंड गिव सर्विस टू अ स्पोर्ट व्हिच डिड नॉट गिव हिम as much as he gave the sport.
And he cleaned up the mess. जो अभी again इसके पहले जो था, I mean we don't want to do that but we have to take the name. But Ramesh Pawar left a big mess.
नहीं, उसके बाद W.V. Raman came and cleaned up a bit. He set the base a bit and then this guy just took over.
Yeah. And
so I think hats off to him also, and a much needed appreciation from the cricket loving audience of this country to a great servant of Indian cricket.
And a brilliant World Cup, very nicely managed. अरे जितनी बारिश हो रही थी, मैं यहाँ थाना में बैठा था नवी मुंबई में. I was like, आज हो ही नहीं सकता मैच. इतनी बारिश हो रही थी. But they cleaned, the ground staff did its job and the match was obviously एक भी ओवर कटा नहीं.
Yes. So, nice to see Sachin there, Lakshman there. I mean, amazing to see Rohit there.
Yes.
It's not easy. Just ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आया है. He might be thinking मैं प्रिपेयर करूंगा 5-7 दिन में साउथ अफ्रीका के लिए. कौन नवी मुंबई तक जाएगा? But he went there along with his entire family. I believe Rohit Sharma was asked to come down to the ground after the match. He refused. He said it is their match. It is their.
Yeah, मैं limelight नहीं लेना चाहता.
I will not go. And lovely. I don't know if you saw the coincidence. He wore the same Adidas T-shirt which he wore in that video call that he did with Jemima and.
Yes. And that वो फिर बाद में उसका एक और वीडियो वायरल हुआ है जिसमें वो टैक्सी में बैठ के जा रहा है. टैक्सी वाले को पता नहीं था कि रोहित शर्मा बैठ रहा है. ओला गाइस. But good that he did not steal the limelight because he had no business. He was supporting them. वो anyway that's it. He did that. Did his job.
Lovely to see the warmth and the adulation they are receiving as we speak. I have just read an article saying that their endorsements have money has increased by 10 times. Almost double हो गया है. Double तो आज से ही हो गया. In some players,
51 crores का तो उनको cash reward मिला है BCCI से. Which is entire team and staff, which is good. And individually also, like I just read, Dipti Sharma has been given DSP in the UP police by
yes.
the. So ठीक है. And they all deserve.
Shefali, Deepti, Smriti, Jemima, Harmanpreet, so many heroes. Pratika Rawal, so many heroes. Or sheroes as they say now. But so heartwarming, so wonderful to see this. एक और चीज है.
हाँ.
Which is amazing to note and which also kind of is a reflection of life itself. November 19, 2023, we're all despondent and worrying कि क्या हो गया ये आसमान टूट पड़े. You do realize, right, कि उसके बाद हमने कोई आईसीसी वाइट बॉल ट्रॉफी हारी ही नहीं है. और उसके बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने कोई आईसीसी ट्रॉफी ही नहीं जीती है. वाइट बॉल जीती नहीं है. So and we have not lost a single white ball trophy, single white ball ICC trophy.
Yes. Yes.
So amazing to see that. Matlab,
Yeah, and I mean, hopefully now we'll continue this. अभी अगले साल T20 वर्ल्ड कप आएगा, इनका विमेंस का भी आएगा, अपना भी आएगा. So let's keep this
let's keep the momentum going. Yes. And I think special words for Shafali, that amazing knock in the final. He wasn't even there in the team for most of the World Cup.
It was because Lawal got injured and suddenly उसको लाया गया. Yes.
Final और final में
And
आके
I would give that entire credit of her bowling to Harmanpreet because she spotted कि आज इसका दिन है. Otherwise there was no point. क्यों शफाली को क्यों bowling देंगे हम अचानक final में?
yes.
But she said I had a gut feeling कि आज इसका दिन है.
Yeah.
इसने आज बैटिंग भी किया है तो शायद गोल्डन आर्म ट्राई कर लेते हैं और वो चल गया और she picked up the two really important crucial wickets.
Yes.
However, I think Dipti's wickets.
This is the Yuvraj of this World Cup without a doubt. I mean, actually,
Laura Woolford ka wicket was the turning point according to me. You know, first turning point.
Yuvraj, Dipti did what Dipti could.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Forget Yuvraj. Yuvraj did उसका अलग बात करेंगे जब उसकी
Yes.
Dipti is.
And I think Jemima in the semi-finals again, brilliant knock.
Yes.
Once in a lifetime knock.
Yes.
Played in the semi-finals, I think.
Going against her physical capability. जब उसका वो interview में बोल रही थी कि I was physically not able to do it. मैं थक गई थी. Because she's a very puny. I mean, that is another thing that I think we need to pay attention to women's mental health and their physical fitness. Both.
Yes.
Because she said I was not doing. It's very brave of her to openly say मैं mentally I was not doing very well. Anxiety था, जो भी था.
I think most of these endorsements also coming to them, these prize money coming to them. I'm sure individual states will also announce their own rewards. They will also, in their free time, invest from their side on some of these things. And of course, I think BCCI is doing the best they can. So
Yes.
I think this hopefully should just be a start and not a one-off in terms of it. You can't have Australia, New Zealand, England winning every trophy in women's.
Also, you can't always have India reach all the way till the end and then lose.
Yes.
So that has changed, and now it will. I think we will continue to, grow from here.
And we break the November curse. Last year we lost 3-0 to New Zealand. Before that we lost the World Cup. Before that we lost another T20 World Cup. 2021 wala bhi
correct
November mein tha. So finally we also break the November curse.
Yes. So great. I think we'll continue to support our women, and we'll do more videos on women cricket. Hopefully next year WPL भी ज़्यादा viewership लेके आएगा, ज़्यादा लोग देखेंगे because of these heroes that have now emerged and become famous, and more girls will want to play the sport
and take up sport in general, not just
in general. Yeah, in general, definitely.
So cool. Let's catch up again on the T20 series in the next video.
Okay, great. See you, Vishal.
Yep.
See you.